In this video, I'll show you how to build a student feedback form for online courses quickly and efficiently. This is perfect if you want to gather valuable insights from your students and improve your courses. Stick around because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for software that you can use to make the process even easier, but more on that in a moment. To start, you want to focus on what exactly you want to know from your students. A good student feedback form should help you identify areas for improvement, gauge student satisfaction, and provide actionable feedback. So, let's break it down. The first thing you need is a solid question structure. Start with some basic information like course name, instructor name, and the student's name, if you want to make it personal. Then, move into the real feedback with a few key questions. A great way to structure these questions is to start with multiple choice or Likert scale questions. These questions make it easy for students to respond, and you can analyze the data quickly. For example, you can ask questions like, how satisfied were you with the course material? With options ranging from very unsatisfied to very satisfied. Next, ask some open-ended questions to get more detailed responses. A few examples might be, what did you like most about the course? Or, what could we improve on? These questions allow students to give you more thoughtful, specific feedback. Now, let's talk about how to create this form. There are many tools out there, but the software we'll be using in this video is the best for this purpose. With this software, you can easily drag and drop elements like multiple choice questions, text boxes for open-ended answers, and even rating scales. It makes building your form quick and easy, so you don't need to spend hours designing it yourself. Once your questions are set up, don't forget about the design of the form. You want it to look professional, but also be easy for students to navigate. Our software allows you to customize colors, fonts, and layout so it aligns with your course branding. You can even add a progress bar to show students how far along they are in the feedback process. Another thing to keep in mind is the length of your form. You don't want it to be too long or overwhelming. Ideally, aim for about 5 to 10 questions, including both quantitative and qualitative ones. This way, you're not bombarding students, but still getting the feedback you need. Once your form is ready, you can send it out to your students. The software we're using allows you to generate a link, which you can easily share via email, your course platform, or even social media. Now, here's a key takeaway. The most important thing when building a student feedback form for online courses is to focus on actionable questions. You want your form to provide insights that you can actually use to improve the learning experience for your students. To quickly recap. First, structure your form with a mix of multiple choice questions for quick answers and open-ended questions for more detailed feedback. Then, use software that lets you easily build and customize your form. Keep the form short and sweet and make sure it's easy for students to complete. And finally, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. It's perfect if you want to follow along with the process and make your student feedback form in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.